Estoy confundido. I'm confused. I'm confused. Necesito más tiempo. I need more time. I need more time. I need more time. ¿Dónde has estado? Where have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been? Voy a la tienda. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. Ha sido mucho tiempo. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Ven, por favor. Please come. Please come. Please come. Estoy esperando afuera. I'm waiting outside. I'm waiting outside. I'm waiting outside. Es un error. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Es bueno verte. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you. Piénsalo bien. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Dame un minuto. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Es obligatorio. It's mandatory. It's mandatory. It's mandatory. Igualmente. Same here. Same here. Same here. Quiero que lo veas. I want you to see it. I want you to see it. I want you to see it. Esa es la salida de emergencia. That's the emergency exit. That's the emergency exit. Tengo una tos mala. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. Siempre es así. It's always like this. It's always like this. It's always like this. Cierra tus ojos. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hablo un poco de inglés. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. No llegues tarde. Don't arrive late. Don't arrive late. Don't arrive late. Me preocupa. It worries me. It worries me. It worries me. ¿Cuánto tiempo dura? How long does it take? How long does it take? How long does it take? ¿Cuál es su apellido? What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your last name? Tengo alergias. I have allergies. I have allergies. I have allergies. No es suficiente. It's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. Debería ser así. It should be like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. ¿Qué estás viendo? What are you watching? What are you watching? What are you watching? Lo hiciste muy bien. You did it very well. You did it very well. You did it very well. Hay peligro. There is danger. There is danger. Cada mes. Each month. Each month. Monthly. Monthly. Cada año. Each year. Each year. Yearly. Yearly. Nadie me cree. Nobody believes me. Nobody believes me. ¿Cuándo es la boda? When is the wedding? When is the wedding? When is the wedding? Es mi primer tiempo. It's my first time. It's my first time. Nadie sabe. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Ocurre muchas veces. It happens a lot. It happens a lot. It happens many times. It happens many times. Fui recientemente. I went recently. I went recently. Estoy curioso. I'm curious. I'm curious. No lo podemos negar. We can't deny it. We can't deny it. ¿Quieres un poco de pastel? Do you want some cake? Do you want some cake? Por favor, enséñame. Please teach me. Please teach me. Please teach me. ¿Dónde están los platos? Where are the plates? Where are the plates? Ponlo en la mesa. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Put it on the table. Siéntate derecho. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ¿Es así? Is it like this? Is it like this? Is it like this? Es para alguien más. It's for someone else. It's for someone else. Estaban borrachos. They were drunk. They were drunk. They were drunk. Voy a ver mis amigos. I'm going to see my friends. I'm going to see my friends. I'm going to see my friends. Me divertí. I had fun. I had fun. I had fun. Tengo ansiedad. I have anxiety. I have anxiety. I have anxiety. ¿Qué hay para cenar? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Déjalos pasar. Let them pass. Let them pass. Let them pass. ¿Quién es el jefe? Who is the boss? Who is the boss? Who is the boss? ¿Tiene una cuenta? Do you have an account? Do you have an account? Do you have an account? Es mi pasatiempo favorito. It's my favorite hobby. It's my favorite hobby. It's my favorite hobby. Fui invitado. I was invited. I was invited. I was invited. ¿Qué dice aquí? What does it say here? What does it say here? What does it say here? ¿Eres de aquí? Are you from here? Are you from here? Are you from here? Nada ha cambiado. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Déjame ver. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Podemos compartir. We can share. We can share. We can share. No lo recomiendo. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. Toma más riesgos. Take more risk. Take more risk. Lo anoté. I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I wrote it down. Trabajo aquí. I work here. I work here. I work here. Me cambió. It changed me. It changed me. It changed me. ¿Qué estás leyendo? What are you reading? What are you reading? What are you reading? Nos podemos ver mañana. We can meet tomorrow. We can meet tomorrow. We can meet tomorrow. Pienso que es estúpido. I think it's stupid. I think it's stupid. I think it's stupid. Ha sido una semana. It's been a week. It's been a week. It's been a week. Siempre estoy ocupado. I'm always busy. I'm always busy. Ponlo en el refrigerador. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Está en el garaje. It's in the garage. It's in the garage. Eso es todo por hoy. That's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. No lo he pensado. I haven't thought about it. I haven't thought about it. I haven't thought about it. Lo he hecho. I have done it. I have done it. I have done it. Hay una manera. There's a way. There's a way. There's a way. ¿Me puede mostrar? Can you show me? Can you show me? Can you show me? No se trata de eso. It's not about that. It's not about that. It's not about that. Quiero ver más. I want to see more. I want to see more. I want to see more. Otras cosas más. Other more things. Other more things. Tenemos mucho en común. We have a lot in common. We have a lot in common. We have a lot in common. Estamos jugando un juego. We're playing a game. We're playing a game. We're playing a game. No puedo concentrarme. I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate. Es contagioso. It's contagious. It's contagious. It's contagious. Todo está cerrado. Everything is closed. Everything is closed. Everything is closed. Adivina lo que es. Guess what it is. Guess what it is. Guess what it is. Me gusta tu sonrisa. I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. Me olvidé de eso. I forgot about it. I forgot about it. I forgot about it. Es demasiado tarde. It's too late. It's too late. Tenemos que darnos prisa. We must hurry. We must hurry. We must hurry. Tenemos la misma cosa. We have the same thing. We have the same thing. We have the same thing. Es mi peor miedo. It's my worst fear. It's my worst fear. ¿Qué te pasó? What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? Quiero salir. I want to go out. I want to go out. I want to go out. Es hora de dormir. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Debo levantarme temprano. I must wake up early. I must wake up early. I must wake up early. Por favor, espere aquí. Please wait here. Please wait here. Ahora puedes ir. Now you can go. Now you can go. Now you can go. ¿Dónde fuiste? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? No puedo encontrarte. I can't find you. I can't find you. I can't find you. Tienes un lindo lugar. You have a beautiful place. You have a beautiful place. Vivo con mi familia. I live with my family. I live with my family. I live with my family. Vivo solo. I live alone. I live alone. I live alone. Estoy bromeando. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. No hay sillas. There are no seats. There are no seats. There are no seats. Esto te calmará. This will calm you down. This will calm you down. This will calm you down. Te deseo lo mejor. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. ¿Es verdad? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Visítame alguna vez. Visit me sometime. Visit me sometime. Visit me sometime. No tengo todo el día. I don't have all day. I don't have all day. I don't have all day. Te gustará. You will like it. You will like it. You will like it. ¿Cuál es? Which is it? Which is it? Which is it? Es hora de cenar. It's dinner time. It's dinner time. It's dinner time. ¿Qué hora es allá? What time is it there? What time is it there? What time is it there? ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? Me relajaré en la casa. I will just relax at home. I will just relax at home. Hiciste un buen trabajo. You did a good job. You did a good job. You did a good job. ¿Me puede ayudar con eso? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? ¿Puedo hacerte una pregunta? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Ha sido un año. It's been a year. It's been a year. It's been a year. Pregúntame. Ask me. Ask me. Soy tímido. I'm shy. I'm shy. I'm shy. Ella es mi esposa. She is my wife. She is my wife. She is my wife. Él es mi esposo. He is my husband. He is my husband. No he hecho nada. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. ¿De quién es? Whose is it? Whose is it? Whose is it? No puedo ir hoy. I can't go today. I can't go today. I can't go today. ¿Puedes perdonarme? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? Dime más. Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. Está oscuro. It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. Aquí tenga. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Qué tonterías. What nonsense. What nonsense. What nonsense. Es sospechoso. It's suspicious. It's suspicious. Olvidé la llave. I forgot the key. I forgot the key. I forgot the key. El perro no muerde. The dog doesn't bite. The dog doesn't bite. The dog doesn't bite. Te escucho bien. I hear you well. I hear you well. I hear you well. Así es como lo haces. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Fue un accidente. It was an accident. It was an accident. It was an accident. Encontré algo mejor. I found something better. I found something better. I found something better. Ya es medianoche. It's already midnight. It's already midnight. It's already midnight. Ya estoy aquí. I'm already here. I'm already here. I'm already here. Hemos aterrizado. We have landed. We have landed. ¿Con quién estás? Who are you with? Who are you with? Who are you with? Estoy libre hoy. I'm free today. I'm free today. Tengo que pedir permiso. I must ask for permission. I must ask for permission. Estoy muy cerca. I'm so close. I'm so close. ¿Puedo tener su atención? Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Can I have your attention? Déjalos ir. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. Es una buena oportunidad. It's a good opportunity. It's a good opportunity. Estoy aquí para ti. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Entiendo lo que dices. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. ¿Lo estoy haciendo bien? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Es mi culpa. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. Estoy haciendo lo que puedo. I'm doing what I can. I'm doing what I can. I'm doing what I can. ¿Cuál es tu opinión? What's your opinion? What's your opinion? What's your opinion? Alguien está aquí para ti. Someone is here for you. Someone is here for you. Someone is here for you. ¿Algo te está molestando? Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you? Estoy feliz que viniste. I'm happy you came. I'm happy you came. I'm happy you came. Estoy de vacaciones. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. ¿Cuándo termina? When does it end? When does it end? When does it end? Está lloviendo ahora. It's raining now. It's raining now. It's raining now. Qué pena. What a pity. What a pity. What a pity. Dame tu opinión. Give me your opinion. Give me your opinion. Give me your opinion. Puede ser otra cosa. It can be something else. It can be something else. It can be something else. Vamos a practicar. Let's practice. Let's practice. Let's practice. No puedo decidir. I can't decide. I can't decide. Necesito un favor. I need a favor. I need a favor. I need a favor. ¿Has decidido? Have you decided? Have you decided? Se está haciendo tarde. It's getting late. It's getting late. Dime si necesitas algo. Tell me if you need anything. Tell me if you need anything. ¿Por qué lo hiciste? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? Why did you do it? No hay comida. There is no food. There is no food. Mis padres están aquí. My parents are here. My parents are here. ¿Puedes darme un consejo? Can you give me advice? Can you give me advice? Quiero practicar contigo. I want to practice with you. I want to practice with you. I want to practice with you. Estuve enfermo. I was sick. I was sick. I was sick. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Mi cabello está mojado. My hair is wet. My hair is wet. ¿A quién apoyas? Who do you support? Who do you support? Who do you support? Trabajo duro. I work hard. I work hard. I work hard. Estoy en el aeropuerto. I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport. Mi cabello está desordenado. My hair is messy. My hair is messy. Dime cómo te sientes. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. ¿Cuál es la mejor hora para visitar? What's the best hour to visit? What's the best hour to visit? Te perdono. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. ¿Tienes sueño? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No tengo sueño. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. I'm not sleepy. Es una linda vista. It's a nice view. It's a nice view. No soy de aquí. I'm not from here. I'm not from here. I'm not from here. ¿Dónde estoy? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? No te conozco. I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't know you. ¿Me recuerdas? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Do you remember me? Se ve delicioso. It looks delicious. It looks delicious. It looks delicious. Tuve un buen día. I had a good day. I had a good day. I had a good day. Por favor, ayúdame. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. ¿Estás trabajando? Are you working? Are you working? Mis padres están durmiendo. My parents are sleeping. My parents are sleeping. Resolví el problema. I solved the problem. I solved the problem. I solved the problem. Estoy leyendo las noticias. I'm reading the news. I'm reading the news. ¿Quién lo hizo? Who did it? Who did it? Who did it? Es comprensible. It's understandable. It's understandable. It's understandable. No hay necesidad. There's no need. There's no need. There's no need. Hace mucho calor hoy. It's so hot today. It's so hot today. It's so hot today. Te hice desayuno. I made you breakfast. I made you breakfast. I made you breakfast. ¿Qué planes tienes para hoy? What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? Somos como una familia. We are like a family. We are like a family. We are like a family. Quédate sentado. Stay seated. Stay seated. Estoy feliz de estar aquí. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. No quiero hacerlo. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Estoy haciendo un proyecto. I'm doing a project. I'm doing a project. I'm doing a project. Prefiero este clima. I prefer this weather. I prefer this weather. I prefer this weather. Me estoy preparando. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Estoy en una situación difícil. I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in a difficult situation. Haré una llamada. I will make a call. I will make a call. Por supuesto. Of course. Of course. Necesito más información. I need more information. I need more information. Es mi turno. It's my turn. It's my turn. It's my turn. Estoy viendo el juego. I'm watching the game. I'm watching the game. I'm watching the game. Quiero venderlo. I want to sell it. I want to sell it. I want to sell it. ¿Cuánto tiempo tengo? How much time do I have? How much time do I have? How much time do I have? No estamos seguros. We are not sure. We are not sure. We are not sure. Es una mala idea. It's a bad idea. It's a bad idea. ¿Puedo verte mañana? Can I see you tomorrow? Can I see you tomorrow? Can I see you tomorrow? ¿Te estoy molestando? Am I bothering you? Am I bothering you? Am I bothering you? Necesito espacio. I need space. I need space. I need space. ¿Está pasando algo? Is something happening? Is something happening? Is something happening? Me interesa. It interests me. It interests me. It interests me. ¿Cómo deberíamos hacerlo? How should we do it? How should we do it? How should we do it? ¿Has estado allí? Have you been there? Have you been there? Have you been there? ¿De qué color es? What color is it? What color is it? What color is it? ¿Debería esperar? Should I wait? Should I wait? Should I wait? ¿Quién es responsable? Who's responsible? Who's responsible? Who's responsible? Te lo prometo. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. Dime la verdad. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Estuve allí hoy. I was there today. I was there today. ¿Cómo terminó? How did it end? How did it end? No lo menciones. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Ha sido un placer. It's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure. Allí es donde está. That's where it is. That's where it is. That's where it is. Se te cayó. You dropped it. You dropped it. You dropped it. Lo puedes mirar claramente. You can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. No me atrevo. I don't dare. I don't dare. I don't dare. Ve por el túnel. Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Yo estaba ocupado. I was wrong. I was wrong. I was wrong. Tienes razón. You're right. You're right. Yo estaba equivocado. I was wrong. I was wrong. I was wrong. No fue exitoso. It wasn't successful. It wasn't successful. It wasn't successful. No has dicho una palabra. You haven't said a word. You haven't said a word. Nos conocimos hace mucho tiempo. We met a long time ago. We met a long time ago. No me permitieron. They did not allow me. They did not allow me. Era intenso. It was intense. It was intense. Trabajamos juntos. We work together. We work together. We work together. ¿Tiene sentido? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? ¿Cuándo es tu vuelo? When is your flight? When is your flight? When is your flight? No se permite fumar. Smoking is not allowed. Smoking is not allowed. No sabía eso. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Las cosas pasan muy rápido. Things happen so fast. Things happen so fast. Recuérdame más tarde. Remind me later. Remind me later. Es importante para mí. It's important for me. It's important for me. Exactamente. Exactly. Exactly.